and I'm picking it up. Oh, I just want you to come with me.
Hello pretty faces, let's start with this makeup tutorial inspired on Noches Left to Grab by ARIANA Grande. It's a full glam makeup tutorial, so easy to do, and I'm going to teach you how. I'm going to use my hangover primer, and then I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to grab some kind of tape. But if you don't want to use the tape, you can skip it. Then I'm going to take my brush, a fluffy one, and just going to pick any brown shadow you want. I'm going to use this one by the Chocolate Bar palette by Too Faced, and we're just going to work that crease, and then I'm going to pick another one kind of darker just to get a nice crease, but we need to blend it in again. I'm going to put some glitters. This is my DIY glitter palette I did like a few months ago, and I'm going to grab this silver. Oh my god, it's so stunning. She has a lot of glitter in his eyes. Honestly, I love that look, so I just wanted to recreate it because it's so easy to do. Even if you're a beginner, trust me, this is easy, fast, and totally full glam. Then I'm going to grab my eyeliner, and we're not taking the tape until we make our eyeliner. Then we can take it off and grab our lashes, our favorite one. This is Alexa by JLA Lashes. I'm using the Duo Black Glue with vitamins. I love this glue, trust me. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel tired. It just worked perfectly like all night, trust me. Then I'm going to grab my foundation. This is the Born This Way by Too Faced. This is the ivory tone, I guess, and I'm going to grab my brush, my face brush, and I'm going just to blend it in on my skin. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of my sponge to blend in that harsh lines that the brushes sometimes let us on the face. And then I'm going to grab my favorite concealer. This is the shade Tay by Tarte in the tone light neutral. Yep, light neutral. I'm going to start baking. I'm using the Kat Von D translucent powder, and then just press it under my lower lid, and then just let it rest for like 3 minutes because we don't want to look like creepy dolls, right? So yeah, just 3 minutes. Then I'm going to use my shade like contour palette by Kat Von D. I'm going to pick the 3 of the darkest colors because why not? And to be honest, this is the best palette to contour my face I ever tried before. Of course, I'm not forgetting to contour my nose because oh my gosh, I love contouring my nose. Then I'm going to grab my Deep Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the tone soft brown. Then I'm going to grab some of that brown we put on the we put on the upper lid, and going to put it on the lower lid. And then I'm going to put some of my mascara, my favorite one. And yeah, then we're done with the eyes. Let's get into the blush. If you want to skip this, you can, but I love putting blush. So I'm going to grab this No Name one and just put it on the apple cheeks. So cute. I love how blush looks. Then I'm going to grab my highlighter. She was using like a super blinded highlighter, to be honest, kind of white and pearly. Then I'm going to grab this Blinded by the Light by Too Faced, one of my favorites. Kind of silver highlighters. I love it. And then I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and I'm going to wet a little bit with my with the Fix Setting Spray by MAC and put it on the corner of the eye and just pop it. Then we're going to pick our favorite liquid lipstick or lipstick, whatever you want, and yeah, I'm putting this one like really pink because she was using a nude pinky one. It was so amazing on her. So that was it. I'm just going to set all this makeup work, and I see you on the next video, girls. This was so fun making this recreation of no chills left to cry makeup look. So this week I love it. I love how she's wearing her hair right now. So that was it. Yeah, I'm going now. I see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.